In this video, we finally get to feature and collab with a special guest on the channel. But as always, if you guys wanna see, you gotta stay tuned until the end.
Yo, what's good, Roxanne's family? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, always bring stuff that's always a banger. So yeah, guys, hope you guys have been enjoying the channel so far. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content so far. And one more thing, guys, hope you guys are always stay tuned for the stuff. So on today's video, it's a whole total different video. It's a bigger aspect and a bigger mile for Roxanne's channel. On today's video, we have a special guest that we actually managed to get a hold of, which is Black Driver. I'll show you him there. Let's come there. So he's a special guest on the Roxanne's channel, and the way I got a hold of him was in a very crazy manner. As to, he ran into an issue, and since he ran into that issue, I feel like I can resolve that issue for him. So today's video is gonna be hella different. This brother is actually giving me a headache at a point, and we just started and he's just on a channel. It's already giving me a headache because since he ran into an issue whereby with the motor on his Golf 1 and he made not his challenge, he's deciding to get a motor now. This time of night, now he wants a motor now.
You know why?
Why?
It's because of the main fact, man.
The guy's not on the road.
No, it's not that. It's the fact that people think you're not serious when nothing is really happening. They need to see.
Okay,
And
I
people
get
are
you.
losing interest. And
I get
also,
you.
we're getting closer and closer to the deadline. And you know how long everything takes.
Yeah,
So it's better to do everything, quick.
I get you. So we have this 1.4 motor in my garage, né? And it ran a bearing knock. But it can be resolved. We just have to inspect the damages, of course. But like he's saying now, we should get a motor first now, and then we can still open that motor. So the main issue is now to get a motor. So guys, enough said. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and stay tuned for like stuff, guys.
Guys, I think I must also get an overall. Honestly speaking, I need an overall.
Yo, this one is full of paint. The other one, I don't know where is it.
I wanna even paint my own car. Do you know how to paint?
But I'm still learning.
You're still learning. I wanna learn how to paint.
do that on a shit box.
Now I wanna learn how to paint, ne? But not like I'm painting it alone. I was painting with a professional. They must teach me what actually goes into painting a car. Like, what's the first step? How long is the first step? What's the second step? What body filler? You don't apply body filler without this. You don't apply paint without this. What you see those things? I wanna learn.
It's not a paint because they don't have patience.
You see? I wanna see.
Oh.
But having to scrub, I don't have time. Hey, I'll ask Richard to come scrub. He's depressed, that one, guys. Look at the Richard in the car.
So I reached out to Black Driver. Well, I reached out to a friend that knows Black Driver, and seeing all the videos that he posted on how my Dombolo is not actually getting up to standard, I felt like, you know what, let me actually hit Black Driver up and see what we can provide for him in order to get his Golf MK1 back on the road. So guys, in this video, it's a whole turnover for the channel, but I'm very appreciative for Black Driver allowing me to work on his vehicle. But as always, guys, you know, nothing more. Stay tuned on the latest. So now, as Black would like to get his car running as soon as possible, we had to make a few calls that time of the night to a few people and send some messages on a few groups in order to find someone with a motor that had it now on the spot. And yeah, this is how it went down with us calling the guys that mentioned that they have motors available.
Listen, me a quick question, man. Don't you maybe know anyone it is a call for injection motor now at the moment?
Golf 4 injection
I mean,
motor.
Golf 1 injector motor, my mistake.
Golf 1 injector motor.
Yeah,
Hey, I can find out for you.
1614, anything that we can get now.
Right, for the blue collar one.
Ah, nee, this is for someone else, caller.
Oh, Salute.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me ask one too, brother. But you know, normally the engine, then Rojan, they all keep engines.
Yeah, I know, I understand those ones, but the aim.
Tools must.
Huh?
Why don't have tools even? Olushan.
Nah, I don't have Chulz's number.
I can forward you his number there.
Ah, where you can, please, bro.
You know why they strap transition and that, you know?
Yeah, I mean, we can also.
Can take a chance there.
Yeah.
Because he might be got a contact there in town where his shop is in Pretoria West that he knows someone, you see.
Yeah, we just need a motor to be mobile because we're gonna do clearance on a different motor. This is just to make it mobile at least.
Okay, I check my bro. Let me send you that number. Must I send it on this number?
You can send it on this one or my other number, my real number.
Okay, I trust. Let's
Alright.
start it now for you.
Thanks, Lane.
So we were deciding as to what motors we will be taking. We managed to find 2 motors, but each motor had its perks. So we managed to find a block, we just didn't have a head. And then afterwards we managed to find a complete motor, but it was leaking on the main seal. So we were still discussing as to which one would be ideal. And yeah, after some discussion, that's what we done.
So everything you need is already on this engine.
Also the water pump.
Yeah, it's already on this engine, everything. So now you must say this is.
Gaan dere om charge my op te zetten.
Ik ken het allemaal te horen, dat hij te horen om te zeggen, dan kan ik als conform kan het met hem praten. Ik zei 3.5.
3.5 for the block and you have to put the head on.
So you guys must tell me.
But the block is not in a car, ne?
No. That's why he says if we confirm, he can send me the location and then we can drive there and go check it.
Let's go.
The guy says he has a 1.6, but he can only get it tomorrow.
Everyone is tomorrow.
He says it's
No,
too
I'm
much.
gonna do.
5k, but he's gonna say he's gonna have to adjust it.
Ow.
I don't know.
I just what? The price of the engine?
No, the price.
The price.
But
What?
he said he's gonna get back to me. He's just calling that guy to find out.
Maybe some sealage, maybe the same motor you're asking me for. This
Yeah,
is also 1.6, also tomorrow.
Yeah, then we probably the same guy. Never know. But if,
Brad, the solution now is you can get that block, no? But we get that block, find out, and we strip this head, find out the head is a problem. Let's strip it now, see if the head is fine. Because
Let's check the head.
my main concern is the valves,
Yeah.
of course, and everything else.
Let's check the head, confirm before we go.
I'm sure.
Then for us to go spend, because how much is the new head?
You can get a block for 5, you can get a 2.5, you can get a head for 2.5, 3.5. It depends if the guy machined it.
You mean the head?
Yeah.
Oh.
Selling this motor separately is a lot of money.
How much is it?
You can get a head from 2.5 and above. A block starts from 3,000 and above, depending on condition.
So basically a whole engine can be about how much? How much does it average?
Depends on the capacity. If it's a 1.4, between like 5 grand, 6.5. 1.6 starts from 6,000 to 8,000. 1.8, of course, it runs 2 liter. It runs over 10. See, especially if it's from a specific car. You know, some cars out here, if it's a special
How long
car,
will it take for us to check this head?
give me maybe like 30 minutes. I'm just gonna pop it.
To pop it, ne?
Yeah, I just have to pop these balls
Okay.
and then loosen the tensioner.
Yeah. He says, what about 8:30, that guy?
The tensioner is loosened, so it's fine.
It's loosened.
Yeah, we can start with this.
Okay.
Okay, let me just start there.
Spanish! Spanan! Richard!
Yeah, no one's wanna listen to me.
These guys.
Okay, sharp guys, so we're gonna be loosening this head, ne? We'll loosen this head straight off the block, right? So it's 10 bolts. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it's 1, 2. So you strap it in a sequence.
You strap what?
You strap the head in a sequence.
In a sequence.
Yeah, so you don't
Sorry,
damage any threads or damage the block.
Yeah.
So you start from middle, outer, in a
Wait, how do you do it?
start from the middle? This is one,
Yeah.
two.
Yeah.
Okay? There's even a thing I can show you.
Yeah.
Once we're done here, I'll show you a sequence.
Mm.
You can go 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4.
Yeah.
And over there. There.
Then you go there.
Okay. And
Okay.
you start over. It's just to equally
Yeah. Oh.
loosen it. If you loosen it one side completely,
Yeah.
you can damage the thread or you can damage the block or the head itself.
Mm.
See, there's a lot of things which,
Makes sense.
yeah. But yeah. So we just normally this tension has a bulge here which you a nut
Mr. Yogi.
actually.
Yeah.
So there's a nut here actually,
Yeah.
but there's no nut. So yeah.
It not having a nut is it a bad thing?
Yeah, because it means if you have to start the motor, this belt won't sit stiff.
Yeah.
Then it's gonna jump tooth and then you're gonna have a bent valve or dropping a valve, all that things. You see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but you can, what you can do is bring it lights here. Try and put one here. Put one here. You can put it other one on. No, bring the cord. It's on the table. Just put it on. Sharp, I don't know shot it. You can give my cameraman so you can come see, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. So let's start. So normally,
Okay.
just have to check.
He's basically interesting.
Okay. So that's what the thing I was also scared of.
Right.
If the air was overtopped, where you can't loosen it.
Overtalk.
Where you fasten it to its last. Last.
Oh, it's loose that one.
I'm trying to see which one, just to make sure. See, that's not overtopped.
That's not. Oh, that one is.
Yeah. But there is another way.
You have other gloves?
Yeah, you want a pair?
Oh, mechanic. Driver. Mechanic driver. You want to be everything a driver. Mechanic.
Bro, I dream of also having these skills at this moment.
Let me just get that pipe quickly.
Sure. The first mechanic to work with the Puma outfit.
That is just for more leverage, bro. You're gonna have to
Nee,
just
blow
hold the
fast op.
motor, ne? Laat hij hoor.
What must I do?
Just hold the motor.
Kom ik toch wel de motor.
Wat is het? Ja, nee, dat is wel niet top, toch?
Nee, dan kom ik gewoon de motor zo.
Kom
Ja, kijk, aan de motor zo.
So yeah guys, we're just basically removing the head bolts so that we can be able to remove the head and inspect as to exactly what is wrong with the motor. So we're gonna pop all the bolts, remove the head, and see how bad the block and the head got damaged due to the bearing knock.
Not you.
I'm telling you, you'll fight with them. I'm telling you. Content is important, bro. You understand? Or this thing is your bread. Oh. Yeah, let's see. Let's go, guys. All of them are loose now, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just have to double check and then you can remove it by hand.
Yeah, boy. Guys, I'm so hyped up, bro. Like, I feel great. Like, I feel like I'm a mechanic, bro, just because I did one bolt. I untied one bolt. Now I feel like a mechanic. Come on, bro. Why are you not subscribing, bro? Subscribe, bro. You're not subscribing to Rook Stands? Come on, bro. What the hell? You're watching for free? Nah, these guys. You're watching for free. Just like the video and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Come on, man. Don't be a doos, my bro. Yo.
But bruh, I don't know, ne? For me, ne? Just to be honest, ne? I think this car ran a bearing because this Owens didn't set it up properly. Yeah. There's many ways this car could have ran a bearing. Because if you look at dictator management, ne?
Yeah.
It can run a bearing through dictator management. I know for a fact that it can. But with a proper map, a proper tune, it won't. So my question, yeah, car wasn't tuned. So fuel and air. It was. So if it wasn't tuned to fuel and air, it's the main problem in the situation, because once you tune a car, it will tune how much air. It's like doing stage 2 on your Polo. They have to eventually dyno it already, so the air and the fuel mixture can correspond. If you have too much fuel running in here, you can burn plugs, can burn valves, you know, overfueling, cost you a lot of money on fuel.
Where's the dictator, yeah?
No, dictator, you see that red
No, not
box?
dictator, man.
The distributor.
Distributor.
That's the distributor, it's just a cap that comes over it.
Mm.
So you just need to get that cap.
Why doesn't it have those holes? 5 holes or something?
A cap
And
is
that's the cap, there's the holes.
Oh,
See?
the cap there.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's
Where's the cap?
I think it's still over there and I think.
It's right there.
Guys, the way this motor came is the way you see it. now.
Yeah. I
But
think
then
it's still
there's
over there.
Yeah.
the camshaft
Oh,
cover
the camshaft
Says
cover.
and then the tapered cover.
So this thing is a camshaft.
Yeah, bo.
What is a crank?
The Tira's keys.
Yeah.
Where's the Tira's keys?
What is a crankshaft?
Camshaft. The bottom.
It's what cranks the car. When you start in
Yeah, basically. Cranks it through the flywheel.
so this thing is a flywheel.
Yeah, this is a flywheel. You get different flywheel. You get 7 bolts and you get 7 bolt in flywheel and you get a 9 bolt flywheel.
What is this one? 9 volt.
This should be a 7 bolt. Because it's still a standard 30 volts.
Well, the 2.0 is the one that is 9.
9 bolt.
So I kept hearing them saying 9 volt. I'm like,
Yeah,
what's this now?
2 liter comes 9 bolts.
The screws you're doing now, is it the same ones?
Same one.
Oh.
You're just now making sure they all.
Oh, you're making them loose first.
Yeah.
Then after that, now you're doing this.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, you can cut the camera. Yes. How do you take it off?
I just left it.
Oh. Yo, these screws are big, man.
Yeah. So these screws are very sensitive when you torque them. You have to make sure you torque them accordingly and you put Loctite on them.
One is not torqued properly. I think it's this one.
Not coming out.
This one is coming out.
Bring me a box there, please. And put these things on.
This one. And this one. Guys, I took 2 screws out. It's me. I did this, bro. I built this shit. Where? Yeah, bit by bit.
Yeah, we're gonna bring a box now. Sure.
Guys, I took out a head, bro. I helped. Yes. Did the shit, bro. It's me, bro.
Yeah, this episode is gonna be interesting.
1 hour.
I'm waiting for this episode.
This one is gonna be yeah.
I'm sure you're posting before Friday. I'm sure there's no other.
Tomorrow. I want to post tomorrow so that Friday gets some views. Okay. So basically this is what the head is.
Yeah, bro.
Then where do we check if there's something
Only
wrong?
get fails.
Check now the valve.
I like you to do it now. That's so far, but enough.
You see
Let's do it.
this one?
You see the moisture? This is oil. So this one's on the cylinder.
Which one? This
So
one?
we had oil running here.
Yeah.
So this ring was dead. You see this black type of smoke?
Yeah.
That means that because that's a definition of the car was definitely overfueling. Hence why all cylinder ports it's black. Except this one it's a bit moist.
Yeah.
Here the rings were about to finish. So that
Those
oil-
are the ones that the rings finish.
This one the ring is about to finish. The other ones, this one and this one, the rings were about to finish.
Which one? This.
And this.
Oh, this.
See the moist.
Yeah.
That means the oil is coming past the rings. So there's rings here on the side of the pistons which keep the oil in the block
In the block.
and coming through the channel.
So the
it
rings
can-
are finished.
This too is about to be finished. You see?
Yeah.
So they were on the verge of finishing. And then here, you can see the car was slightly overfueling.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can
Go,
see the
go on
car.
both blocks.
Yeah, this was
And then
running-
how do you know which one is cylinder 1, 2? Is just from this side,
if I'm not mistaken,
this side.
from that side.
from that side?
Yeah.
Then you count from 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. From there, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here. From there,
Do you look from this side?
yeah.
And then
1,
how do you
2,
know
3,
which one is
4.
the front? Or this is the front side because.
It's the front of the
Oh,
motor.
so then
so
it's
it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's
So
correct.
basically, cylinder 2 and 4, what happened?
Cylinder 2 and 4 is slightly oil moisture.
And then 1 and
You
3.
don't see it as much, but you can see the oil
Yeah.
here, especially on the valve.
Yeah.
You can see the oil to say that no, there is slightly oil coming past the rings.
So the rings might.
So the rings were about to finish.
Finish.
So oil was gonna come past here
Yeah.
and kill your plugs and make the car misfire.
And then these two, basically, the rings are still good.
Yeah, these two rings are still fine.
But-
it's just you can see the car was also overfueling.
How do you know that whatever is happening here is overfueling? Like how is it supposed
You
to
know
be?
how does black smoke look like when you, especially when black smoke is like against the wall, like you saw it.
Yeah.
Black smoke against the wall, how it looks like.
Ah.
It looks like it looks like it's still smoke.
Okay.
It leaves that dust powder like this.
Yeah.
You can see this guy's been overfueling for quite some time.
And then how does that smoke where does it come from? Like, does it come from under or where,
Comes
like where?
from the injectors. So
The
remember,
injectors.
this is overfueling is caused by petrol.
Yeah.
And of
Where does
course,
the
lack
petrol
of
come
tuning.
though? I don't understand. Like, where does it come?
So since the intake is not here, let's see
yeah.
here. Check on my intake.
Okay.
Here's the injectors.
Which one is the intake here specifically?
This is the intake.
This is the intake.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the injector. So it pushes.
Wait, where is the injector?
Here's injectors.
Or
There's
those
4.
injectors? Yeah.
They
Okay.
push from behind the head, and then they run to a valve here at the bottom. So then that valve, of course.
Wait,
pushes
so the
fuel.
intake comes from this
The
side,
behind, yeah.
from the behind,
Yes.
and then
It pushes to the
A.
valve.
It pushes A.
No.
What?
It pushes fuel. The injector pushes fuel to the spark plug so it can create a spark and create a combustion.
Wait, let's get this. The intake, it pushes what? A.
It pushes air and your fuel
And your fuel. How is it the intake pushing fuel?
to your injector. So
Where's the fuel line?
I'm gonna show you now.
Okay.
Where's
Guys,
the-
I'm so sorry. I might look stupid right now, but I'm trying to learn. You know, maybe it's a day without learning something new is a day wasted. So I'm trying to learn
I'm learning you from my experience.
from your
We
experience.
all have different experiences.
Yeah.
This is my easy experience. Come and take this one out.
Yeah.
This is the intake. Right?
There's an intake, okay?
To main keep this one separate there.
Is this the one that was on my car?
No, that's my intake.
This is in the back of in the
That's
in
for
the
the-
Oh,
car.
it's in the car. Yeah, I saw it there.
It's a BMW.
Yeah? What?
This is you.
Huh?
This is you.
Richard can't believe, guys, or I'm a mechanic.
This is you.
I'm a mechanic. Yeah?
This is you.
My name is not IRL Madanone anymore. My name is Mechanic Danu. Let's go.
What did you guys feel?
This is your intake.
This is the intake, right?
Yeah, they all the same.
Yeah.
From
Yes, each have different specs.
Richard,
Each have different specs. So this is your throttle body.
this is the throttle body.
Just connects on the cable into your accelerator
Yeah.
pedal. Just generates the air through your pedal.
So when you are pressing the throttle,
The pedal.
Yeah,
It opens
that-
it up. Then that creates the intake air.
so that's why when the air is coming, that's why the car wants to vibe.
Yeah.
Okay.
basically.
Okay.
So this is the fuel rail.
Yeah.
This is where the fuel lines connect.
It comes
You have
here.
your income and you have your outcome. See?
Yeah.
This is where the fuel
The
comes in.
income is normally on the top.
Yeah, this is where your fuel comes from your tank to your injectors.
Yeah.
And then this is where it goes back after your car stops.
Or you see where it goes out from the pipe. This pipe.
Yeah.
Out.
Yeah, this is normally fuel that surpasses the injectors, and then this is just to return it back to your tank. You see, so it makes it easier. If there was no return, I think that at the end of the day, you will blow your motor because of the amount of pressure and fuel that petrol has.
Yeah.
It's insane. So yeah, so this is just the return. So whereby any little
Oh, so basically this, right? Okay, the fuel comes in and then the air is coming in, then they meet here. This is where the spark plug.
and then it goes to your spark plug and it creates the combustion.
Oh, so basically that air and that thingy
Yeah.
meet with the
That's
spark
why-
and then it
that's why I'm
creates.
saying
Okay.
Your air mixture and your fuel mixture counts a lot when it's especially running on management.
Yeah.
You see, so that's why you were overfueling in a
Yeah.
way. So yeah, we also know because this motor did the same.
Yeah.
We were overfueling, we got a roadmap, so then it was fine. But cylinder 1, oil came through the rings and it was worse than yours because there was a time whereby we didn't want to change eventually to rebuild the motor.
Yeah.
But there's a point whereby the car started smoking a lot of blue smoke. That's
Why does
oil.
blue smoke happen?
That's due to oil. So that's oil being released into your exhaust
Okay.
manifold.
The oil, where does it go?
So the only way the oil gets pushed out is through your exhaust manifold.
Okay. So now we are done with the intake.
Yeah.
Let's come to the. Okay, from the intake we go to the head.
Yeah.
So now explain here. Cameraman, you have to come closer.
Sharp. So yeah, these
Yeah.
4 lines
Yeah.
or these 4 ports are your intake ports.
So this is where the air and the fuel come in.
That's correct. This is where the intake fastens. These bottom ones are your exhaust.
Come see this side.
This is your exhaust ports.
Okay, let's just change. You can show it to them, not to me. Yeah. Okay, hold this side.
Okay, so these are your 4 exhaust ports. This is of course where
Wait, before. Sorry to disturb you.
what's up?
There, the intake, the air and the fuel. Do they come through here, or do they come through here?
Come through here.
Or they
These
come
ones.
through the top?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
these
where
ones
you-
they are the exhaust.
That's the exhaust. That's
Oh,
all
that's
the-
where it comes out.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see, so when oil eventually comes into your cylinder holes on top of your pistons,
Yeah,
there's only one way it has to exit.
the exhaust.
It has to exit either through your exhaust ports and it generates smoke because remember when the exhaust gets hot, it eventually will burn the oil, and then once you burn oil, smoke generates.
Smoke
So then
generates.
you see smoke come out of the rear of your vehicle.
Oh,
It's
okay.
I don't know if I still have that video of how our car was smoking. This car, it was smoking insane. If you hit your foot,
Yeah.
just even if you have to do a R1, you
Yeah.
just see
I remember.
blue smoke.
So that blue smoke is happening because of the pistons,
It's happening because of
or the oil,
It's
or the oil
pushing
is coming out.
past the pistons and
So
now
the piston rings were the ones that
yeah.
were.
So the only way the oil can release is either through
Through
the
the
exhaust
exhaust.
manifold, and if the gasket is damaged, it can leak.
or through
yeah.
the small what?
Yeah.
Oh,
So where
okay.
the head and the block meets, it can leak out there if your gasket is also damaged. You see. But so this gasket doesn't look like it was damaged.
Yeah.
There's no cracks.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we have a problem here.
Okay.
So I think also, you see this.
Yeah.
This is a water channel.
Water channel. How does water come in?
from your pump. So your pump will generate. Here's your pump. Okay?
This is a pump.
This is your water pump.
Okay.
This is where your water circulates through.
Where?
the engine.
How do you see where's an? Okay, this thing. What is this? Oh, I
Oil
forgot.
filter.
Oh,
The oil
sorry.
filter.
So the water pump, where is it exactly here? Because this thing is a, it just spins.
That spins the water, and there's a what you
Oh, the
call it?
pump is here.
Yeah, there's a fin behind this
Okay.
compartment where it generates the water. It turns it so it can, you know, once the water comes down, it
Yeah.
flows into all its respective channels. So
Why does water need to come in?
so you can cool down the motor.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
So does it go to the piston straight or
No,
where?
no. It comes through this channel
Okay.
so it can meet with. Sharp, is it going?
Is it going? The timers are moving.
So, like we were saying, the water pump, of course, runs through the channels.
Which channel? Where is the which channels exactly here?
This is your water channel. All these brown channels are your water channels,
Oh, okay.
and then these are your oil channels. These are your oil channels.
The small ones.
Yeah. And these ones, but
Wait, so these ones, these ones that look like it's not. Yeah, this one here.
these ones that are brown.
They're
it's your
water.
channels.
Okay, then these ones here. No, these are the
Nah,
screws.
these are the screws. These are your
the oil channels.
oil channels.
Where
That's
does oil get in or does it come from under here?
Comes from the bottom. There's a pump. Remember?
Does
there's
it
a
need
oil
to
pump.
come in here?
Yeah, from the bottom up
And then where does it go when it comes here?
to the head.
To the head. But I don't understand. If
No,
you say,
sorry,
oh,
this is your oil channel.
which one? This one's. But if you say that the oil must not come through the piston rings, why does it need to come? Because it's also going up.
It has to do up the cam and the lifters.
So what does this do? The cam and the
Remember,
lifters?
let's make it simpler. Metal on metal.
Oh.
Metal on metal is bad because
Oh.
it's gonna basically shave it away.
Yeah.
So it's
So
gonna
it needs
make
to-
noises and
yeah.
all of that stuff.
It needs
so
to-
the oil loops it, preventing it from noise and to keep it moving 100%.
Yeah.
And remember, this thing goes on high RPMs.
Yeah.
So if you hit your foot,
It
this
really
thing
goes.
must move
Yeah.
and without weighing the cam.
Mm.
Because if you don't run with oil, these
Yeah.
cam loops can eventually shrink.
Okay.
And then if it can't press the lifter,
Yeah.
that means your combustion is gonna be hella uneven.
How does it press? Oh, that's why it moves.
Yeah.
It presses this thing.
That's correct.
What does the lifter do?
Then you have separate lifters. You have lift. Same sequence. Yeah.
Okay.
So what I was trying to get to, you see this piece? I
Yeah.
found it in the water channel.
Water channel.
So that it's a scary move because
Let's see the piece.
this piece.
Let me just put it there.
So I don't know if it's just need to make sure if this is okay. This is plastic.
This is
So
plastic.
I don't know how plastic got in the engine.
Yeah.
So there is parts in this engine which shouldn't be in it. So there's things basically in the motor which shouldn't be there. Which is scary because if it came through there, that means it could also be in the head. We
In the
don't know.
head, yeah. Okay, let's check the head and find out.
Okay, we'll check it now. I
This
wanted to
will-
turn this thing.
Yeah.
So let's turn it and see. It's just sorry.
This man who was stuck with the car the other day, ne? We didn't even know, like, bro, what's happening here? Like, we're just acting like mechanics. We're going in the engine. They were like, "Eh, what's happening? What's happening? You, the smoke, where's it coming from? You don't know what you're dealing with. But now I can see, oh, okay, the intake, it takes the air, and when you're pressing the accelerator, basically you're putting air in the car. I didn't know any of that, because it means, okay, if it makes sense, right? If you are pressing the accelerator and then you're putting more air into the car, which means that it's going to also push more, the full fuel pump needs to put more fuel, which basically means that it's going to create more combustion. Is that correct?
That's correct.
You see? Guys, I'm learning. You see?
But
So,
eventually,
so basically, it makes sense that if the map is incorrect, it's gonna break it, because that means the values are incorrect.
that's correct.
Bro, come on, man. This is too easy, man. Like,
Of course, the comment section will give more information. There's
Yeah.
more things that we still need to know.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's basically the basic. So now, ne, brah, this motor, ne,
Yeah,
we have to see if this motor turns. Or this block eventually.
this block.
So if it doesn't turn, we're not gonna force it, otherwise we're gonna break something further. But yeah, okay.
Okay, the ring lights, let's just get one here, this side.
Okay, yeah.
You started now.
Yeah.
Let me.
Quickly pick up this.
Where do we go again?
You can hold
Wat er de foto loop, wat er de foto.
mirrors
Here and where?
and then
Oh, yeah, okay. We're taking it up.
just want to lift it over. Okay. Okay, sure. That's fine.
I didn't know how to carry an engine, now I know. Okay.
I reason why I wanted to actually put it on the chain. We need to turn.
We need to turn it, man. Okay, let's put it on the chain. Subscribe to his channel. Please do subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna link his channel in the description. So in case you don't wanna go search it, you can just go in my description and click the first thing that is in there, and in the comment section. So this guy really helped me, guys. I'm learning all of this, and you know what's the best part? He didn't even charge me. Where in South Africa do you get that? He didn't charge me, bro. Like nothing. Any of this knowledge, labor, bro. He could be doing something, bro, in his life right now. Could be making money, but he chose to come here, you know. So let's what's this all? Just go and subscribe to his channel. Show him some love. He's also gonna post a video of the same experience. Go show him love, and I'm also gonna give him some tips on how to edit so that he can get more views, etc. You know. So in life, you don't have to just benefit with money. You know, you can benefit through Ubuntu. You get it? You help me, I help you. You get it? So yeah, please go subscribe to ROQUE Stance, ROQUE space stance. Wait, let's get back.
Oh yeah.
A nice ad break, nah? Get popcorn.
Budget insurance.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
just wanted to see some mounting points.
Okay.
Okay, I need these bolts.
Okay. Mounting what?
Now, I need some mounting points to lift.
Oh,
the
so to
block.
lift it, ne?
Yeah, but your motor
Doesn't
doesn't have all of that.
Yeah.
So I just need to take from my equipment.
Yeah.
Where is it? Ah, this now.
This is so interesting. It's nice, bro. Like, you know, I wanted to be a mechanical engineer at first.
Yeah, see.
Before YouTube, ne? I really wanted to be a mechanical engineer. Like, when I was still in grade 9,
Yeah.
I always said, my brother is the cameraman. He can tell you every day. I would literally go crazy. I would always study hard.
Come pick me up.
Study hard, bro. That's how much I love cars, bro. Like, I love cars. And knowing now how a car operates is nice. Guys, this is so nice. It's interesting, bro. Like,
What you mean?
y'all don't get it, bro. Like,
heavy.
Wait, the chain. You must eat pop, my son.
alright. This is so nice and interesting, bro. Y'all don't get it, bro. Like, yo, I wish y'all get y'all could feel, bro, how much it's how nice this is. Like, yo, But I could stay here for 3 years, bro, without eating. I don't mind.
I doubt it.
No, you couldn't do that. You have to charge your own. More than lodging.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get of course the professional tools, but
Yeah.
make a plan of what you have. How do we remove all our windows?
Check out what time is it?
Yeah, what time is it?
7:47.
Okay, you still have enough time.
Guys, look. Hey, hey, oh, come on. Hey. Ah, it's going, guys.
Alright, sure, this is enough. So, you need someone to hold the motor.
The older motor. Must I hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it from here. Just don't hold here. This is where we're gonna see what's gonna turn.
Okay.
Arrange your fingers.
Oh, yeah, Nena's motor is locked.
Yeah. So to find out what's happening, we need to open it.
Drop this whole motor.
But that's not gonna happen now, guys, unfortunately. Because we
Yeah.
need to go get another one. But you see, the way I'm interested in finding out what happened, it has to happen very soon. So in the next video or the video after that, we need to find out what exactly happened in this motor and see basically if we can fix it. And then also the rings, you can hear that, yeah, it's chai. It's chai, man. Like, come on, man, donate, bro. You better donate. If you don't donate, bro, I'm gonna donate you. Let's work.
I'm just feeling if the walls are not damaged.
Yeah.
Because it could be likely that we just hit the bearing. It could be likely that.
What is a bearing?
I don't have an example, but a bearing is what sits at the piston at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that allows the crank to move freely
Yeah.
in a circular motion around the piston, so it can move a piston up and down.
What is so basically when they say a bearing knock, what does it mean?
It basically means the big end bearings at the bottom of the piston is damaged.
Is damaged.
Or it could be the crank could also be damaged at the bottom. You just don't know until you open.
So basically the crank is the one that keeps this thing whole thing moving.
Yeah, it does. Yes, the crank is fastened on the.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it generates also the flywheel to turn.
So basically when it's seized, what could be damaged?
If it's seized, look, if it can be a block seizure or a head seizure. But for a block seizure, either piston conrod could be damaged,
Yeah.
either a bearing could be damaged, bottom crank could be damaged, cylinder walls could get damaged.
But then the cylinder walls on this one is fine.
So far it looks fine. Of course,
okay,
you
we have to go.
remove-
Yeah.
You have to dive deeper
look,
and see
yeah.
because there's options to get this block back and running. If the cylinder walls are not damaged,
Okay.
we just bearings, rings, and of course check if the crank is still fine, if it needs polishing.
Yeah.
If the walls are damaged, you can get an option to re-sleeve it and keep your standard pistons. Or what we did was we put in oversized pistons. So whereby
Oversized pistons, what does that mean?
you get bigger pistons for this block. So engineering will scheme, they will hoon it. It's called hooning. They will chop off some meat so that it can be smooth, and you get the piston the same size as more or less as the hole.
The hole
Like we did is we took microbus
makes
pistons.
it more faster.
Yeah, if you get oversized pistons, it does increase this thing's power. But then they're definitely gonna need you to get a proper map or just go dyno.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like we did was we ran a 2 liter with oversized pistons. It was microbus pistons and everything was moving. Unfortunately we bent out.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that basically the combustion, the mixtures and everything, that's where the electrical part gets in. Or wait.
No, these things are not actually electric, bro.
There's nothing electric.
They're
here.
nothing electric. The only thing that's running on a semi-electric type of sport is the switches that read your temperature. Of course, the switches that this is a switch that reads your oil.
Okay.
I don't know if you heard that.
Yeah.
With like a small cup on your dash in your cluster.
Yeah.
That's oil.
Yeah.
And then
So
there's
basically, okay, wait. The oil filter, it filters the oil.
Yeah.
What does it
Keep
filter
clean.
it from? Oil from cleaning the oil.
From cleaning the oil and sending it
Where's
to the motor.
where's the oil? Oh, it's in the thing is
in the block? If there is oil, like you said, you rent a car with oil.
Okay.
Without oil.
No, we did run it with oil. I don't know if maybe the oil pump or something. But the first day we did actually put in oil. Remember, Mas?
Yeah, no,
Literally a whole 5 liter.
But like so that's the only semi-electric is your oil temperature switch, and then on your head on that side there's a compartment where it reads your water temperature. From there, all electronics is run by your module in your car that controls your headlights, your brake light, or your brake lights also, and then of course your interior lighting, your cluster lighting, and maybe your whatever generates your battery.
So basically, yeah, there's not
this
really
is full on mechanical.
So it's just oil and just
Oil, water, fuel,
fuel, yeah.
and pulleys, pumps.
Pulleys, what's
cranks. Pulleys is more or less like the cranks.
Yeah.
It's more or less the same as what the belt is to run onto. So this is a
Okay.
pulley. This is a pulley for your water pump.
Guys, I think y'all are learning a lot now, but hey, let's actually work on the head gasket now.
It's the head.
The head, yeah, sorry.
It's, yeah.
Oh, the head gasket is this. The thing. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay, so bruh, let's just see if there's anything hiding in the head.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we should be good to go if we just go get that block now.
Yeah.
But I don't want to guarantee you anything because, like I said, there was things in the motor that was flying around which shouldn't be.
Should
So
maybe
basically,
something.
foreign objects
Yeah.
which shouldn't be in the motor itself, which is a bit scary because you don't know what we're getting into.
Yeah. We need a ring light.
But for me, the cam loops are fine.
The camera fine.
Yeah, if you
They're
feel,
just supposed to be smooth.
yeah, if you do this, if you feel like your finger stops,
Yeah.
then it's no.
So you
ridges.
need to have your gloves off for this, ne?
Yeah, yes, you have to feel with your hands to make sure.
The
'Cause
same
you
with the
don't have-
piston.
Yeah.
What?
Piston
Wait.
walls.
The piston walls, yeah. I was about to ask you.
If I had my other block, I was gonna show an example how a damaged cylinder wall looks like. Yeah, that one is at the engineer actually.
Yeah.
We're still deciding what we want to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so over here. Okay, the only problem is if we're gonna run this head. I don't know how much oil went into this valve.
Yeah.
And the problem is you can't put water and clean this thing with degrees, so it's gonna damage it because oil and water don't mix.
Don't go, yeah.
Exactly, so that's the other thing, but
How do you check now if this one is damaged?
let's just see if we turn it.
Guys, let me down know in the comment section if you guys think I explained properly as to how a motor operates. Even though if I had a few aspects wrong, let me down know in the comment section below. I don't mind taking where I was wrong. At the end of the day, we learn from it, and that what just makes us stronger at the end of the day, guys. So guys, let me down know in the comment section below how you guys thought I explained the motor.
Especially on a dictator. Dictator, your timing must be right because if you're gonna set the dictator door, you're gonna cry.
Makes sense.
Let's just turn and see it. Where's it spinner?
Yes.
No, my next spinner I used to turn the
Yes,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is.
Here's
Oh,
it.
there- oh.
Let's just see something. Looks fine.
It looks fine.
Yeah, it looks fine. There's just I need some. I think bring that ring light in here. Check for any shavings.
Shavings, ne?
There is. There's metal shavings in this thing. Done. We can't use this head.
Why?
The only way we're gonna use this head is to take it to engineering. Clean it.
To clean it.
There's metal shavings in here. We can't use it. So that means we're gonna find shavings if you open that sump.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, nah, we can't go ahead with that block, bruh.
You can go ahead with it.
Because we don't have a head.
Alright. So we need an engine now.
Yeah, but I think
We can get that block. We get what's this?
we get a block and a head.
In a head.
Yeah, we can. Unless we will be lucky we find the engine. What about that 1.6 tomorrow, like they said? It's got the shot when we see it and it's complete. Now, who has a head now?
Just try, Miko.
Hmm?
You never know until you try.
Try this. I don't suggest you to do it. I really don't suggest you.
Why?
Metal shavings.
No, I'm saying let's try get a head.
Guys, so of course this is the lekker stuff. Told you I'm gonna bring lekker stuff to the channel, and we are making it moves. So guys, the ultimatum now is Blackie wants, or Black Driver, or how I know him, Matati wants a motor now, but we have to source it in a way as to we only can find a block now. We're gonna have to look for it. So there is someone that has the block now complete. It has been redone, but we're gonna inspect it for ourselves. The only problem is we're gonna need a head. So
Yeah guys, after diving deeper into the head, finding out these metal shavings, we didn't want to still waste our time and clean the head and use it on another block. We did manage to find another block, but it wasn't mentioned to us that it was a carburetor block. So fast forward to the next day, Engine Den did reach out to Black, stating that they would sponsor him with the engine, and this is how it went down in the next day once we arrived at Engine Den.
Let's spun. Yeah. Next, a little drop. A little drop. Yeah, Mr. Nippis. On. You're not cameraman today. What? I'm a cameraman today. Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking for an engine. 1.4.
Aye.
1.4 or what's this? 1.6 injector.
Aye. Injector.
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, Golf 1.
What is in the car?
The engine that was in the car was a 1.4i. It's just that basically it had a bearing now.
Also, we need to replace the engine.
Yeah, we're basically replacing the engine.
So why you want to put 1.4?
Pardon? No, it's a temporary engine. We actually want to put in a VR6, but then not now. We still want to basically build the body, build everything.
So after meeting the employees and the owners of Engine Den, they took Black for a walk, and then from there they discussed as to what motor they will be taking and what they can offer him. So they offered him 2 motors, and this is the 2 motors they offered him. Up next, STD. And you have to get 60 minus 2. Then it's gonna make you get also another room for the 60 minus 2.
But look, I think that they charge like about 7-8 grand the whole system to build the system. Yeah. That's just for the wire.
Yeah, that's around 8 grand. You still have to do mountings and stuff.
You got the sponsors on board, we don't mind.
Yeah.
We can give the engine. There's no issue.
But mountings, how much is it going to be?
I don't know.
Depends how it sits, you can build your mountings.
Yeah.
That you have to get it first.
Gearbox side we'll have to look at as well.
How much is the gearbox?
I don't know, I thought you got the FFZ.
Nee, is that the FFZ box? No, PDG.
I will check what gearboxes we got. So if we can do a combo.
No, it's the old PDG box. That's FFZ is what we work later. So guys, Engine Den has offered Matlatsi 2 options, but the 2 options came with a cost. For the 1.8 turbo 20 valve and gearbox, it's gonna cost him between 20 to 30,000 rand to do the relevant modifications, and they offered him a 2 liter ADY or AGG engine. So guys, as you see in the video, you guys wondering why am I looking so curious and walking up and down looking so stressed. But let me explain to you all as to why this is the reason why I look like this in this video. So basically, in order for us to be able to choose the right motor, while Black was busy discussing as to how would the sponsorship work and all that, basic contract details, I kept on looking around checking for the right engine. And looking around checking for the right engine, walking up and down, picking out the relevant engines, making some calls just to be sure as to what engine would be the best to use in the Mark 1, all the necessary modifications, all the pulley changing, what is needed to know, what we should do and what we shouldn't do. We found two motors which were catching my eye that were the best, but the motors weren't turning. After looking, we eventually picked out the third motor, which we ended up with the ADY engine 2 liter, which actually turned, and you won't be disappointed throughout the video. That's why you have to stay here until the end.
Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing, don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and the thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought.
So yeah guys, that's just the mechanic. Getting the engine here. And yeah! Getting an engine! Yeah, I'm excited. Yo.
Now this is where the tables turn. This is when we realized the first engine we picked out, the head was damaged. So there was a bracket on the head that damaged.
What is this business? What happens? Mechanic, talk to us, Mr. Roxanne.
Right, we just have to do compression test before we leave. I want to take chances.
You're gonna break it, Richard, not you.
Okay, let's see if we can do compression test just to be 100%. Yeah.
So after careful inspection, we eventually found a motor, and this motor was turning properly. And we inspected the motor, dusted it off, and yeah, we actually left with a 2 liter ADY engine, basically a Golf 3 engine, the engine you'll find normally in your Golf 3s.
Fuck.
So now the plan is, once we load the motor, we're gonna go to my house, drop the motor, and eventually, it depends on the time and it depends on Blackie's decision as to does he wanna get the car now, and then get it sorted, or I don't know. So now I'm working on his schedule at the moment, so We'll just wait for him to get loaded and from there we'll decide. But yeah, what a long day.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger.
So yeah guys, after the long wait, the long discussing and the long stories that Black had to sort out with engine then in order for us to get this motor. So now we're actually collecting madombolo, ne? I was mistaken, madombolo. We're collecting madombolo here and then we're gonna be taking it to my house and then we're gonna be fitting in the 2 liter. And then from there we're just gonna, before we fit the 2 liter, we still need to change a few pulleys. But we will be showing all exactly as to what we're gonna be doing as well. While Black is still busy sorting out his also things he has to sort out at the moment. But yeah guys, let's get into it. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. So yeah guys, I don't know if the previous clip was a bit, the sun was a bit glaring on this cameras, but we're in Mandombolo. So we're busy towing it to my crib now, so we're gonna see how far we can get with this car actually, because we actually would like to see this car on the road. But yeah, slow! Ay man, starak bra, yo, irak me. Yes, see. But anyway, like I was saying before I got interrupted now, where was I even? Oh yeah, so we're gonna be checking the motor. So engine then did mention if the motor has a problem, and then we'll just take it back for another one. So yeah guys, so stay tuned for the liquor stuff. Okay, so like I was saying on there, I'm gonna be removing the pulleys, I'll be removing the pulley, cam pulley, water pump pulley, as well as this whole bracket pulley as well. We'll be removing that so we can put on the 1.4 flywheel. Also gonna be installing the 2 liter dizzy, and then we're gonna remove this old MP9 or it's MP8 wiring if I'm not mistaken. And then yeah, we're gonna be fitting what's missing from the old motor here on. So yeah guys, hope you guys will enjoy this. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far, but let's get right into it.
And yet again we ran into another issue. It's like Mandombolo just doesn't want to see us get himself on the road. So yeah guys, we ran into an issue whereby we were trying to loosen the crank pulley and we found out 2 bolts were stripped. Firstly, as you see, we tried to weld another bolt on top of that bolt, and yeah, this is how it went. So fast forward after we got the bolt welded, and then yeah, this is how that went. So after struggling with 3 bolts, welding it on and breaking them, we just decided enough is enough. Let's get grinding disc, take the grinder, grind off the pulley. We just had to be very precise. We don't end up damaging the engine. So guys, after struggling for about 2 to 3 hours, cutting and even more cutting, we eventually got the pulley off. Unfortunately, I don't have the video to showcase how we got it off, but we did get it off after many hours of struggling. But guys, this is where I'm gonna have to leave you all, as this is the end of part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You should definitely stay for part 2 as we try to get Mandombolo back on the road. You know what to do, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Guys, the main thing is now is subscribing is free. It doesn't take you that long. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay tuned for the latest updates, and you know what to do. Stay tuned for the latest stuff. Out. Oh, and one more thing. Thank you so much for 3,655 subs. Let's get it.